A loud exhaust is more than annoying. In Arizona, it's a citable equipment violation, and this deputy proves it. We removed the source audio and added our own. Here's the muffler law drivers forget exists. A black Chrysler 300 is stopped. Arizona requires every vehicle to have a working muffler in constant operation. Cutouts, bypasses, and straight pipes that amplify the noise are specifically prohibited by statute.
Equipment law applies to every driver, learner, or veteran. The condition of the car is the violation, not the skill of the driver.
Here's what makes Arizona different. Most traffic tickets are civil. You pay a fine and move on with no criminal record. But criminal speeding, driving on a suspended license, and reckless driving all cross into misdemeanor territory with a mandatory court date. A blue Nissan is next. Equipment stops are legal on their own. The officer doesn't need any other reason to pull you over. And once you're stopped for the exhaust, everything else in plain view becomes fair game.
A single equipment stop routinely uncovers speed, registration, or license issues. The muffler is just the doorway.
And the number on the ticket is never the real cost. Arizona stacks an 83% surcharge on top of the base fine. Then come license points, defensive driving school, and insurance increases that can outlast the ticket by years. Arizona Statute 28-955 requires a working muffler and bans devices that increase exhaust noise. It's a real, enforceable citation. If your build is loud, it's legal risk. Footage credit, Pinal County Sheriff's Office.